My name's Dan. I work in the graphics department, and I'm the lead graphics installer, and I've worked at LDV for 7 years. I install the decals on the outside of the trucks. Basically, I'm putting on the marketing for this company or for the Snap-on trucks. Today we're working on an SSV truck. We just finished up, and we're working on a couple more Snap-on trucks to get them wrapped up and ready for the customers this weekend. Start to finish, that depends on the truck itself. But if it's just a franchise unit like the one behind me here, it's only going to take us 4, maybe 5 hours tops. We got a fun work environment here. It's really good. Everybody works well together, and we try to do everything very team orientated.
Corey, graphics installer. Just install graphics on trucks, SSVs, and Snap-on trucks. We start cleaning the trucks, make sure it's all dry, clean, and no dirt behind it, because everything will show. We get the blueprints, see what the truck looks like, where the stickers are going to go, graphics are going to go. It's a lot of technique with literally like the rest and squeegees and what squeegees to use, where to poke holes in the rivets or where to poke holes in the bubbles, and cool seeing where they all go and like how they're built from different sizes. Everything that goes into it, not just graphics, but like other departments that we have here that put in a lot of work into the trucks. So it's really cool, I guess, in that way.